EFI 427. Your description of this combination, it's got a set of Edelbrock heads on it. It has got the Edelbrock manifold. We have that powder coated for you. Beautiful front end on, all blacked out. Custom grind solid rollers. Obviously, it is fuel management. Terminator X. Got the front sump pan for it. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, it's 473 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 477, peaks horsepower 459. Rated at 470, it took a little cam out, it smoothed it out for you. So with the front end on it, it still runs pretty good. Get her off there, get in the crate, come your way, have a great day.